Taragi tambray ma.
Này cái gì mà cầm gì?
Tara paisa lina. Paisa late bagi taragi video sim ke daw ba. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to buy fish, dry fish for 10 rupees. Let's see whether they allow to buy for 10 rupees or not. Okay, let's go. You know, it's a Manipur. There's no 1 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay, anyway, let's go and try. Let's go. This is our 10 rupees note. Yeah, we're excited. Let's do this, girl. Ashidi haugi tul mani niya. Taragi tambray ma.
Này cái gì mà cầm gì?
Oh no. Tara paisa lina.
Tama nga na ni sa tigil.
Ya dere di chalge didi. Tezu kharong ki. Taragi lo ba yabra?
Ha.
Taragi.
Jakhati dise.
Taragi haibane taragi.
To mai tamdu.
Ani ahum andum pi ba yai na.
Kari gi no.
Video sim ke do ba.
Video
Oh. Che tara.
anti di ni na. Jakhati gi lo ho. Thoma gi.
Ani ahum pi o yai. Paisa late bagi taragi video sim ke do ba. Yare yare. Hoi. Ha? Natte he. Video sim ke do ba YouTube de. Ya pharawe. Silo koi ba. Okay, here is our 10 rupees fish. Smoked fish. How can it go? After washing, I just add some salt. Do you need more for a great taste? I just add some salt and mix, and then we are just going to fry with a little oil. I add some little oil, and then we are just gonna fry this for 10 minutes, I guess. It's a simple way to fry fish, but it tastes great. Okay, just try it at home, at your home, municipal. And here we have some beans at my backyard. It's enough for today. And now this is our vegetables. Let's start boiling. We are going to boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. That's enough. Half boiled. Half boiled is good for our body. It has a great nutrition. Yeah, we are done. Now I'm roasting almond, and then going back to the backyard and take some green chili. Yes, that's all for our today ingredients. And yet we have this lotus powder root. Lotus powder root. It's lotus root powder. No, it's ready. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you see on the title, it's our low budget mukbang. It's only 10 rupees. Yeah, I hope you guys watched the previous video, not previous video, the masalam video, mom. And yeah, what happened to my hair? No problem. Okay, here we got rice and our 10 rupees dry piece from the market. Yeah. And here we got the lotus root powder. Ooh. How about you? Here we got our this boiled let me show you. The walnut and the green chili and beans. This is Chinese cabbage, not Chinese. And this is zongari gitu hilia ngai thidro. This is what mustard, Chinese mustard and carrot, a tiny one. And we have salt and here roasted almond. Okay. Let me keep it here again. Mutelia nam kepa. Should be like this, you know. Okay, before eating, let's pray. Bon appetit. Có khul man gel. And too salt there. Don't worry, okay, I already washed my finger, my hand today. It's a low budget mukbang, okay? Nga kasi ngasi pass by. Chinese mustard hai benne. Tomato level. It's spicy. How the heck? Yeah. Oh, this is so good. This is low budget, but so good. I can't describe it. How about you? Yu tọt sự mình riêng họ tay tòng ó. Nó hạ màn tôm nè, trang sổ màn chậu nè, yu cái ha. Mi đông xịt. They have what? Kindness. Next time I will always buy to her. Her product only. Khát nó khát tự chọn biết cái đâu. Ini almond masuk tu jam. ngata se This food is so healthy and so good. So good. So good rồi here thật rồi. 하웨 ngaso hawe aish magi nga se yam hawe ngai tudan khadim ke tela khalo cha Eya chigen tang thọc về thâu nupa taragi loge haiba ada nupi kanara ai yaje haiba to ko magi pot mark so low right you know what, some people can afford for 50 rupees 100 rupees, but some people cannot afford, so if they can give us 10 rupees or 20 rupees some anh gần kia kia anh không mà màu này sao ngã mẹ đâu thì này rồi ha bạn bạn gì đấy nếu cho trai nhẹ để sao ngã mẹ kỳ mấy cho cái hình tình suppose you are a seller and if you are watching this video, please try to give 10 rupees 20 rupees for poor people, even it is not profit for you, but show some kindness, no? Last fish. So good. Attack you. Lúc này chả cái hay đấy cả mà khơi đâm tà đấy cả lẽ This one a lot of tea. Let's watch. I fully finished. These are my resistant bands. Waka waka mong sa here. That's it. You see? This is so healthy. Okay. Okay guys, let's end it here. And if you like our video, if you like our video, please give a thumbs up, keep supporting, and share as much as you can, because some may get inspired by my video and help more people more. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.